Hi guys, let's study law of multiple proportion given by Dalton. This law was given by Dalton in 1803. What does this law say? Before telling you a statement, let us discuss the example for this. Suppose we have two compounds, one is water, another is H2O2. This examples we have seen in constant proportion also. Here what are the elements? Hydrogen and oxygen. Here also what are the elements? Hydrogen and oxygen. If we see how many parts of hydrogen are there, we'll see two atoms. One is atomic mass of hydrogen, 1 into 2. Here if we see oxygen, it is 1 into 16. So here 2 is to 16. If here we see two atoms are there, so 1 into 2, one is atomic mass of hydrogen, one atom is oxygen, two atoms are oxygen, 16 into 2. It will be 2 is to 32. If I found here, we will find that fixed mass of hydrogen is there. If I am converting it into more simpler, so 1 is to 8, here 1 is to 16. So fixed mass of hydrogen is combining with different masses of oxygen. Fixed mass of hydrogen is combining with different masses of hydrogen. So we will find that in such conditions, we find that one of the element is combining in a fixed mass with a fixed mass to different masses of another element and forming two different compounds. Then we will see that another element which is having different masses in combination to form two different compounds bear a simple ratio. If I see oxygen here in water, it is 8. Oxygen here in H2O2, it is 16. So what is the ratio of oxygen here? It is 1 is to 2. If I see oxygen here in both the cases, from here 8, from here it is 16. So what is the ratio? 1 is to 2. Once again, in water we find that hydrogen with its fixed mass combining with 8 means hydrogen, 1 gram of hydrogen is combining with 8 gram of oxygen. In hydrogen peroxide, 1 gram of hydrogen is combining with 16 gram of oxygen. So here we have seen that one of the element is with its fixed mass combining with two different masses of another element. So we see that another element, different masses of another element bear a simple ratio. This is the law for multiple proportion. That means see here it is multiple. 16 gram is the multiple of 8. So multiple proportion. So how we will define this law? We will define this law that when two elements combine to form more than one compound, then one of the elements with its fixed mass combined with the different masses of another element, then different masses of another element bear a simple ratio to one another. Similar case, we see another example also. Let's see another example. For carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide 12 is to 16. Here if see 12 is to 32. 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12, 4 8 is. So if see fixed mass of carbon is combining with oxygen different masses. So if we see the 4 is to 8, it is 1 is to 2. So oxygen bears a simple ratio in both the compounds. If you take it 6 or if you take 16 it is to 32, then also it is 1:2. That makes no difference. So we will find that when two or more elements combine together to form more than one compound, when two elements combine to form more than one compound, then different masses of one element combines with the fixed mass of another element bear a simple whole number ratio to one another. We can have one more example for this. Let us see one or more example. Nitrogen and oxygen combine to form number of oxides N2O, N2O2. Actually we take it as NO. So I am writing here N2O2, N2O3, N2O4, N2O5. 5 oxides it's formed. If we see nitrogen, ratio of nitrogen, and here ratio of oxygen. Here 28 grams of nitrogen, 16 grams of oxygen. 28 grams, 32 grams. 28 grams of nitrogen in every case. Nitrogen is having atomic mass 14 into 2. Okay. Now oxygen 16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 16 3 is 48, 16 4 is 64, and 16 5 is 80. If we see different masses of oxygen are combining with fixed mass of nitrogen. So different masses of oxygen, if we see, the ratio is 1:2. For oxygen ratio is 1:2, 3, 4, 5 in 5 oxides. So fixed mass of, so here oxygen bear a simple whole number ratio. So fixed mass of one element is combining, different mass of another element is combining, making more than one compound. We find that different masses of element which is combining with fixed mass of another element bear a simple whole number ratio. This is law of multiple proportion. How we will define that? When two elements combine to form more than one compound, then different masses of one element combined with fixed mass of another element bear a simple whole number ratio. That's all for this multiple proportion.